Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Temu account password on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Temu applications, and if you want to change your password, here you just have to go to this Me option at the bottom, and now go ahead to this gear icon at the top right. And after, if you want to change your password, just go ahead to this account security, and after we'll find out here the password option, just tap on edit if you want to change it. It will be look like this. The first column you have to enter it your old password or your currently password. Now just create your new password, you guys. If you're done, just tap on submit here at the bottom, and yeah, password changed successfully. So my password on my Temu account is already changed, guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video tutorial how to change Temu password on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.